Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Arabic Starter Pack videos. In the previous video, we learned one Arabic word.
التفت.
In this video, we will learn 2 new Arabic words. All you have to do is listen and copy the boy's actions. Get ready to copy the boy's actions.
اجلس. قم. اجلس. قم. اجلس. قم.
Did you copy the boy's actions? Shall we do that again? Get ready to copy the boy's actions.
اجلس. قم. اجلس. قم. اجلس. قم.
Shall we watch that one last time? Get ready to copy the boy's actions.
اجلس. قم. اجلس. قم. اجلس. قم.
Congratulations! You have learned 2 Arabic words.
قم.
And
اجلس. قم.
means stand up.
اجلس.
Means sit. Why don't you practice these words with a friend? And then when you are ready, you can move on to the next video to learn some more Arabic words.